morning, girls. All right, today we're going to be looking at 8.3, finding factors, and we're focusing in today on multiplication. So first up, we start with mental math. So I want you to go ahead and solve these problems. These are actually division problems, but there's a missing factor. Okay, so you're thinking of 2 times what equals 10, which is the same as 10 divided by 2 equals what? Okay, so thinking about this, find out the missing factor. Because today we're focusing on finding factors. Your math message says Joanna packed 16 bottles of juice into cartons. How could she pack the bottles so each carton has an equal number of bottles with none left over? Show your thinking using pictures or arrays. Okay, and then write a number model for each thing that you make. Okay, so really try to think, how could she pack 16? Okay, so that they're equal with none left over. So like when you make your array, right, it should be like a box, right? Or like a rectangle. There shouldn't be little extras left over, okay, that are like one by itself. Okay, so see if you can do that. I'm going to come back and model this same question for you in just a little bit. Today we're going to explain how basic multiplication division facts can help us oh, that's not what we're doing, but that's okay. We're going to be trying to find some factors, okay? And we want to be able to look at problems and be able to see what two numbers multiply to equal the product. So that's what we're focusing on today is factor pairs, right? We are going to review finding factors because we've been able to do that. That's what we did yesterday, right? So we did missing factors like our mental math, like 6 times what equals 54, right? That was the missing factor. But today we're going to really think, okay, which numbers can multiply together to equal the product? Okay, so like 2 times 3 equals 6. But some numbers like 36 can have several different factor pairs, like 1 times 36 equals 36, 2 times 18 equals 36, 3 times 12 equals 36, 4 times 9 equals 36, 6 times 6 equals 36. So these are all factors of 36. Every single one of these is like a rainbow, right? You multiply this number with this number and you get it. Okay, so that's a factor rainbow. So some ways that you can use this to help you figure out what are the factor pairs if you don't know them. Okay, you can use like a multiplication factor chart, right? You select the number you want, like 24, and you find 24 on here, and you say, oh, 8 and 3 go there. Oh, 6 and 4, right? And then 4 and 6 again, and 3 and 8. So you know that 3, 4, 6, and 8 are all factors of 24. Now, for those extended facts like we were talking about, you can use your basic fact that you found here, and then you can add those zeros like we were practicing. Okay, you can think of it as a fact triangle as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause here, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I would have solved the math message.